Hey guys! Today we're doing the shape sticking activity for toddlers. So you'll need some colorful paper, which you cut into different shapes of different sizes. You'll need a glue stick and a poster paper or a cardboard paper. Draw shapes that you'd like your child to identify. So here we've drawn 5 different shapes: a rectangle, a circle, a triangle, a square, and a heart. Before beginning the activity, help your child identify the different shapes by taking their fingers and tracing over them. Now spread the glue generously over all the shapes. Your child can help you with that too. You can now ask your child to identify the cutout shape and stick it onto the correct shape on the board. It might take some time for your child to get a hang of this activity, but eventually they're gonna love it. Your children may be at different stages of learning, so don't hesitate to guide the younger ones. It looks like they're having a lot of fun! Wow, I think they've done a great job. Now, isn't that satisfying to look at?